In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install add-ons and extensions in Firefox in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you want to add extra features to your browser, improve productivity, block distractions, or install tools like a free VPN. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu button. This is the button with the 3 horizontal lines. Once the menu opens, look for extensions and themes and click on it. This will take you to Firefox's add-ons area, where you can browse and manage extensions. On the Extensions and Themes page, click Extensions. This is where you can search for new browser add-ons to install. Now you'll see a search bar. Click inside that search bar and type the extension you want. For example, if you want a free VPN, type free VPN into the search bar. After typing it in, hit enter on your keyboard. Firefox will show you a list of results related to your search. Find the one you want and click on it. In this example, click Free VPN. On the extension page, you'll see a button that says Add To Firefox. Click that button to start the installation process. Firefox will then show a confirmation window asking for permission to add the extension. This is an important step because extensions may request access to certain parts of your browser. Review the permissions, and if everything looks good, click Add to confirm. The extension will now be installed in Firefox. Once it's added, you may see the extension icon appear in your browser toolbar, or you may need to pin it from the Extensions menu for easier access. From there, you can begin using your new add-on right away. That's all it takes to install extensions in Firefox. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more Firefox tips, browser tutorials, and simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.